Hello students, and welcome to your daily dose of language arts. We are dealing with our vocabulary today. So of course you're working out of your vocabulary from Classic Roots workbook. We are on unit 3. This is lesson 5, exercise 6B. So you're dealing with pages 32 to 35 out of your workbook today. And you are also dealing with the Latin and Greek roots for plenty, large, great, and many. So it's the same as the last lesson we did. To begin, you would go to 6B under the online school. Again, it's Unit 3, Lesson 5, also known as 6B. So if you want to do that right now, you can. And on pages of 2 to 3 on your online school, it asks you to listen to the pronunciation of the 8 key words, study the root words from pages 32 to 34, and then you will complete the assignment that's right here on page 35. So page 35, there are 4 problems, and it says, circle the letter of the sentence in which the word in bold-faced type is used incorrectly. So you're looking for the one that is used incorrectly using the word. Let's look at number 4 together. Number 4 says, and it's dealing with the word magnitude. So as soon as I look at number 4 and I see the word magnitude, I might go back and look at my definitions real quick. And it says on magnitude, it's the greatness of importance or size. So greatness of importance or size is one definition. And the other definition for magnitude is the degree of brightness of a star. It's magnitude. So now I could look at number 4 and I'll read those 4 sentences, and I'm going to pick the one that it's not used correctly. So here's number 4, and this is A. If you have your pen or pencil, you can write the answer down when we're finished here, okay? We'll have number 4 done together. The magnitude of earthquakes is measured on the Richter scale with a 1 representing a minor rumble, and anything over 7, a major disaster. So magnitude, is that the greatness or importance of size? It is. That one worked, didn't it? I could go back and put the definition in there. The greatness or importance of size of the earthquake is measured on the Richter scale with, so can you see how you can put the definition in there? A is okay, was used correctly. So let's look at B. We greatly appreciate your magnitude in making this generous donation. Let's go back and see if we can put the definition in there and if it still makes sense. We greatly appreciate your greatness of importance or size in making this generous donation. That one's kind of tricky, but it doesn't work, does it? That doesn't make sense. So they're not using that in the correct way. So I'm thinking B is our answer on number 4, but let's look at the last 2 to make sure. The Nobel Prize in Literature goes to a writer who has created work in the highest magnitude. So then I can say in the highest degree of importance. So greatness of importance, the highest greatness of importance, that would work, wouldn't it? So C is okay. And D, the 20 brightest stars are classified as being of the first magnitude. So again, that time we're using that other definition that was the degree of brightness of a star. And that one worked. So on number 4, it was B, did not work. So you only have 4 questions here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And your answer on number 4 was B. We greatly appreciate your magnitude in making this generous donation. That one didn't work. So there's your page you'll be working on. We did number 4 together. So you just have 3 more, and then you can go into your online school, put in your answers. Before I let you go, I wanted to have you make sure that you are continuing to work hard on your daily plan. And you probably noticed that we haven't been doing these recordings for gum. We're just focusing on vocabulary. And then once we get all the vocabulary done, we will come back and start on some of the gum. So that's why you're only seeing the vocabulary daily dose right now. So what you need to know as far as the gum, you still are doing it And as of tomorrow, which would be 11/1. So as of November 1st, and I don't know which day you're watching this, so as of November 1st, you should be on Unit 6, Lesson 3 in your GUM, okay, your grammar, usage, and mechanics. Again, as of November 1st, you should be on Unit 6, and it would be Lesson 3, which is appositives and appositive phrases, and you'll be all caught up if that's where you're at. And if you're a little ahead, perfect. This puts you at 30% completion for the GUM for the whole year. So make sure that you're still working on both your GUM and your vocabulary every week. And have a fabulous week. We'll see you next time.